Welcome to your English learning adventure. Get ready to listen, learn new words, and have fun practicing English. Before you watch, make sure to subscribe. It tells YouTube you like this content, and they'll recommend it to more people like you. Let's grow together.
Emma, hi. What a nice surprise to see you here.
Jack, hello. Yes, it's a small world. Are you going shopping too?
Yes, I am. I need to buy a new jacket. My old one is, well, very old. It has a hole in the pocket.
Me too. I want to find a new sweater. The weather is getting colder every day.
That's perfect. Do you want to go into this store together?
Sure, why not? I think it's more fun to shop with a friend. And I need your opinion on the clothes.
I agree. And I heard they have a big sale today. Something like buy one, get one 50% off.
Really? That's great news. Let's go in before it gets too busy. I see a lot of people inside already.
Wow, look at all these clothes. There are so many jackets. It's a little difficult to choose.
I know. And look at the colors. It's amazing. Which jacket do you like?
Let me see. I like this black one. It looks simple and stylish.
That's a good choice. Black is easy to match with other clothes. You can wear it with anything.
Thanks. What about you? That red sweater over there looks very nice.
Oh, you're right. I love the color red. It's my favorite. But let's look at a few more options first. Maybe they have it in blue, too.
Hello. Welcome. Can I help you find anything today?
Yes, thank you. I'm looking for a sweater. I want something warm, but also comfortable for university.
And I'm looking for a jacket. Something for casual wear, not too formal. Maybe for the weekend.
Of course. The sweaters are on this wall, and the jackets are just behind you. Let me know if you need a different size. The fitting rooms are at the back.
Thank you. We will. Emma, look at this gray jacket. It's nice, but I think it's too big for me. What do you think?
Yes, it looks a little large on your shoulders. Maybe you should try a size medium. What size is that one?
It says large. You're right. I will look for a medium. What about you? Did you find anything?
I found this blue sweater. It looks very soft and cozy. I think I will try it on. I need a size small.
Okay, let's both go to the fitting rooms. I found a black jacket in medium.
Okay, this sweater is very warm, but is it too big on me? The sleeves are a little long.
This black jacket fits much better than the gray one. It's very comfortable. I can move my arms easily.
Jack, are you okay in there? How is the jacket?
Yes, I'm fine. I think I found the right jacket. It fits perfectly.
That's great. For me, this blue sweater is a little big. Maybe I need a smaller size.
No problem. Let's go out and find a size small for you.
So, what do you think? Does this sweater look good on me?
The color is beautiful, but you are right. It is a little big. The size is wrong.
I think so too. Let me find a small. Now, let me see your jacket. Turn around.
So, how does it look from the back?
Wow, Jack, it looks great. It's very stylish and it fits you very well.
Thanks. I think I'm going to buy it. Let's help you find your size.
Here it is, size small. I'll try it on quickly. This one is perfect. It's much better.
Yes, it looks great on you now. Well done.
Oh, look at these scarves. They are so beautiful. I really love this blue one. It matches my new sweater.
That is nice. Maybe I need a hat too. My ears get cold in winter.
That's a good idea. Look at this black hat. I think it matches your new jacket perfectly.
You're right, it does. Let me try it on. How does it look?
It looks very cool. You should get it.
Okay, I will. Let's also look at the bags. I need a new bag for my books.
This small backpack is cute, and it looks very practical for every day, and it's on sale.
Emma, look at that sign again. It says, buy one, get one 50% off on all winter clothes.
That's amazing. So if we buy our sweater and jacket together, we can get a discount?
Yes, that's correct. The offer is for all jackets and sweaters, and the scarves and hats are 20% off today.
That's great news. So I will get this black jacket and maybe I can buy this hat with the discount.
Perfect. Then I will take this blue sweater and also this blue scarf. We can save some money.
Exactly. A very smart way to shop.
I hope the line moves quickly. I'm a little tired now.
Don't worry, it's not long. Only 2 people in front of us. We can look at these magazines.
Next, please. Hello. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thank you. We did. I would like to buy this sweater and this scarf, please.
And for me, I'll take this jacket and this hat.
Okay, so with the buy one, get one 50% off and the 20% off on accessories, your total together is $85.
That's a very good price for all these things.
How would you like to pay? Together or separately?
Let's pay together, and then I can give you my money for my things.
Okay, no problem. Here is my credit card.
Thank you. Just tap your card on the machine here. Perfect. It's approved. Here is your receipt.
So, shopping with you was really fun. Thank you for your help.
It was. I'm happy we met by accident. Now, let's go and enjoy a cup of coffee. I'm thirsty.
I'd love that. My treat, because you helped me find the right size. That was a very successful shopping day. We found great clothes, and we didn't spend too much money.
Yes, we did. And we got a good discount, too. I love my new jacket and hat.
Me too.
My new sweater is so warm. Next time, we should check out the new store that opened downtown. I heard it's very big.
That's a fantastic idea. I really enjoy shopping with you. It's better than shopping alone.
Me too. It's always more fun with a friend. Okay, now for that coffee.
Great job, everyone! Now it's time to learn some new words from our story. Welcome to vocabulary time. Let's look at some words, their meanings, and examples. Sweater. A warm piece of clothing worn on the upper body. Example. Emma bought a blue sweater because the weather was getting cold. Opinion. What you think or feel about something. Example, Emma asked Jack for his opinion about the sweater. Treat. To pay for something for someone as a gift. Example, Emma said the coffee was her treat. Sleeves. The parts of a piece of clothing that cover your arms. Example, the sweater's sleeves were too long for Emma. Separately, not together, one at a time. Example, Jack asked Emma if they should pay together or separately. Formal. Clothing used for serious or special events. Example, Jack didn't want a formal jacket. Cozy. Warm and comfortable. Example, Emma said the blue sweater looked soft and cozy. Discount. A lower price than usual. Example, the store had a buy one, get one 50% off discount.
Useful expressions. Get ready. Here are some powerful expressions from today's conversation. Use them to level up your English and speak more naturally, just like a native.
Matches my style. It looks good for the way someone usually dresses. Example, Jack said the jacket matches his style. My treat. I will pay for you. Example, Emma said, let's get coffee. It's my treat. Try it on. To put on clothes to see if they fit. Example, Emma decided to try it on to check the size. Now it's time to check your understanding. Let's answer a few questions about the conversation you just heard. Listen carefully and try to remember the details. You can pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Let's go. Why does Emma want a sweater? Because the weather is getting colder. What does Jack say about a sale?
He says the store has a buy one, get one 50% off sale. What is Emma looking for? A warm and comfortable sweater for university. What do they do after leaving the fitting rooms? They look for Emma's correct size. Why does Jack want a hat? Because his ears get cold in winter. What does the big sign say? Buy one, get one 50% off for winter clothes.
Great job so far. Now it's your turn to speak. In this section, you'll answer some open-ended speaking questions related to today's topic. Try to speak out loud and use the new words and expressions you learned. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes progress.
Do you enjoy shopping for clothes? Why or why not? Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes because it is fun to try new styles. What size do you usually wear? I usually wear a medium size. It fits me well and feels comfortable. Do you prefer shopping alone or with friends? I prefer shopping with friends because they can give me good opinions. Have you ever bought the wrong size? What happened? Yes, I have. The clothes were too big, so I returned them and got the right size. What accessories do you like to wear in winter? I like to wear a hat and a scarf to stay warm.
My dear friend, our English lesson is over today. Active listening will make you progress. Don't forget to practice. You need to practice to become strong. Want to master Learn English? You're missing out if you're not subscribed. I upload new tips and tricks every day that will take your skills to the next level. Subscribe now and never fall behind. Good luck. Goodbye.